I'm making first is the lower ring. This is going to hopefully give it a fairly flat bottom. I've seen these made. I've never been in one, but I've seen them made and used, and they look very tippy, so I'm hoping to get as flat a bottom as possible. So let's see how we get on. All I'm trying to do is get these to bend into a circle. That's not too bad. Only about another 15 of them to go. Right then, this is where we're at up to now with building the coracle and the basic shape. The frame going. Hold on. It's the basic shape. I know it sounds a bit awkward, but I'm just putting it across. I've got the length pieces in there. Then back two are going to get doubled up on each edge. And now I'm going to put the braces in across the middle using these pieces here. I need to make some more string now, because I'm running out. Right, so I've kind of run out of bark to do it. So I'm just stripping some of these broken pieces and off cut. You just have to be gentle with it and it will come off in whole pieces. All we've got here is willow bark. I'm just stripping outer layer off. If you don't take this outer layer off, it goes hard and splits easy. Coracle, this is afternoon 2 on it. You see it's took shape. I'm hoping to get it the last few boughs in, finished up today. Hopefully get cover on. And then just add some extra bark on just to get some more strength, and should be ready to go. See how we go. About ready to take it out, and it's braces that held it in place. It's 4 stakes. I'm going to see if it holds its own. Right. There's my coracle. Frame of it anyway. It's all just willow bark and willow. A fairly flat bottom. That's great. That should be alright, that. Right, I've added a few more little braces inside it. Make sure everything's fastened up, fill some of these bigger gaps in like this. And then start to put its outer skin on. Just going to neaten these ends up now. It's about ready for a skin, I think. So. Doing now, I'm just test fitting the outer cover. Just to make sure I can sew it on alright. I think it should be alright. Looks plenty big enough. I did measure it beforehand obviously, but you know how these things are. No real tape measures, is there? Yeah, it's just right, that. Right. I'm gonna make some sort of something to screw it on with, sew it on with, you know. Right. See how this goes. All I'm doing now is stitching the tarpaulin to the frame of the Coracle now. All I've got is just a wooden, it's a piece of birch just with an hole in, ardent end a bit in fire. We're just pushing it through, wrapping it around the top beam of the boat. A bit of nice tight outer skin. I was going to try and recreate some string out of some sort of hide or something, you know, some raw hide, but it would just take me forever. I'd be making this forever. 2 afternoons is enough, just to see if it's just something I've wanted to do for some time, and it's fun to do. I've got some other jobs on as well. I've got one at Badger Hide, smoking in my smoker back there. Took me 2 afternoons. I've done it's done all the willow bark for the binding, holding the tarpaulin on, and that's just regular string. I made this paddle the other week. It's not going to be long enough for this, but that's just made with an axe. Probably one of kids can have that. The whole Coracle itself, these are tools I use to make it. Knife, wood saw, axe, and I fashioned just a needle. Now I just need to get it down on lake, try it out. Looking forward to that. That'll be another video though, I think. Thanks for watching, and this is my first time at building a Coracle, so don't be too hard on me. Cheers guys.